Welcome to a new era of home cinema. Introducing the TCL X11L series, the pinnacle of sqd-mini LED technology. TCL X11L flagship mini LED TVS launch in Europe with advanced dimming and AI processing. TCL has launched its 2026 flagship X11L sqd-mini LED TV series in Europe, months after its global debut at CES 2026. Before that, the flagship TV was unveiled in China in September 2025. The lineup includes three sizes: 75-inch, 85-inch, and 98-inch models, listed in Europe with an EU suffix to differentiate them from US variants. The X11L series is built around TCL's latest sqd-mini LED technology, combining a dense grid of precise dimming zones with a super quantum dot layer and an ultra-color filter panel. This setup is designed to improve brightness control, reduce blooming, and expand color reproduction. TCL states that the TVs can reach up to 100% of the BT 20/20 color gamut and deliver peak brightness levels of up to 10,000 nits. A key hardware upgrade is the WHVA 2.0 Ultra panel. Developed by TCL's subsidiary CSOT, it uses nanoscale structures inspired by butterfly wings to improve light control and native contrast. The panel also includes a low reflection coating for better visibility in bright environments and supports wide viewing angles to maintain consistent color and contrast off-axis. TCL has also introduced its all-domain halo control technology, which combines a redesigned light-emitting chip, a micro-lens array, and a micro-OD optical structure. These elements work together to refine light precision, reduce halo effects, and maintain uniform brightness across the screen. The result is improved black levels, clearer highlights, and better handling of complex scenes. The TVs are powered by the TSR APQ processor, which handles real-time image processing and adjusts color, contrast, and motion on a per-frame basis. AI features extend to picture tuning, sound optimization, voice interaction, and content recommendations. For gaming, the X11L supports a native 144 Hz refresh rate and can reach up to 288 Hz with compatible HDMI input. A built-in game bar interface provides quick access to gaming settings. The design remains slim at around 2 cm at its thinnest point. Audio is tuned by Bang & Olufsen. Additional features include an AI art gallery mode, ambient scenes with sound, and support for Google Cast and AirPlay 2. In Italy, retailers have listed the 75-inch and 85-inch models at €3,999.90 and €5,699.90, respectively, while the 98-inch version is priced at €8,999.90. The listings point to an April 10th release date in the country. Availability across other European markets and the UK has not yet been confirmed.